What is up, guys? It is your man TC Grusom. Welcome to a Grusom vlog, and today we are going up to where, Mr. Shifty Car Pics? Downshift in Melbourne. We are riding our bikes, and we're meeting up with Ben, who runs Geelong Car Pics on Instagram. Go follow both of those, link in the description. And we're catching the train, and then yeah. So what's the day all about, Jacob? So it is all JDM cars, all loud cars, all, you know, just cars in general. So what is that? Race battle and car limbo for the lowest car. So that'd be great. So yeah, let's get on the train. Bikes are locked up getting down here. Got a lot of cars to look at. Plus Ben.
Hello.
Instagram down below.
Geelong Car Pics.
Geelong _ Car Pics? Just Geelong Car Pics.
Just Geelong Car Pics.
Just Geelong Car Pics. And we've got, what is that? That is a, best do that. That is a, it's not what's going, isn't it? Yeah. Look at that.
That's got power.
That's got a lot of power. That's just waiting to go off. Alright, next time you'll see us is down at the entry where they're coming in. Ah, wait, after this WRX. Oh, baby. On this big clap off. Lexus. Nice little rotor engine. Now this is my jam. This is Navarro. Love the exposed carbon fender splitter. You see the wheels on that?
Yeah. Oh, I really can
Get it out, okay, get it out.
Wake up. All the way from there. There's your 4x4. Yeah.
Oh yes. He's coming out. Ah, the BMW. Hasn't Trevor rocked up? Look at that. Let's see if I can get it. I wonder if you can see it on camera. It's like a chameleon sort of thing. Yeah. I love it. Carbon handles, carbon mirrors, paint. Now that's nice. Hey Ben, is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? Dude, is that a Supra? No. Hello, camera focus. Focus, camera.
Toyota Celica.
Is that a Supra with a blow-off valve?
So, Craig, would you go again?
Yes. Ollie, come here.
Slow car limbo. Everett, bring it on through. That sounds good too, right? Alright. Peter in his bag, BMW. He's got plenty ready to go. I wonder how long he's here in terms of how much special travel he does have. Apparently. He's on the ground already, just BMW problems.
Look at this shit.
Alrighty. The MX5 guys are getting out already. They're all ready. I think they can get through here about another 6 times before they have to do that.
Ow.
Next time what we might do is create different ones for the MX5s. They're going to be better evidence. It's really the RX-7. You might want to put your aerial down. Just you need that for the RC control. You can't work out how to do it.
They help us the shit out of it.
There are a lot of sums at risk here today. And he's, yeah, judging the car as well. I think somehow he believes that might help. Maybe, I don't know, you know, solid smoke doesn't really weigh anything.
Oh. That was a tight hit.
Just put his foot bumps there just to talk in the car. There he is. Alrighty,
This guy's mid-eating kebabs and he jumps on.
This guy was trying
Yeah, he was going to eat it and he jumps on.
People on the BMW are now multiplied. More asses for that guy to stare at.
I just hope it's gay.
It's got a hard on.
Yeah.
If anything, I think his hair's going to get in the way. You're out. Alright, we're back to the beginning. What do we have left now? We have the Supra, the RX-7 and 2 MX-5s in the game.
Supra's out this round, I reckon.
Do we think the Supra's going to make it through?
No.
What about the RX-7? Do we think it's going to make it through this next round? Let's find out. Let's bring it through. Let's See if he can slam us on the ground like his champ. You're out! Alright, time for the RF7. I think this is going to be a very, very close call. And the RF7 is out of there as well. We're now down to the two MX-5s. This could almost be the decider right here and right now.
Look at it's not even bagged, man. They've got it lower, lower than the wheels. This guy's easy going to do it.
This guy's going to clear without all people. He's going to clear it.
Oh no!
Almost. Alrighty. Get these guys back around again.
I think it actually.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, I didn't see it. He hit. So we have a winner. We have the black MX-5. AMS MX-5 has taken home the low car limbo.
Not bad.
Thinking selfie stick or no selfie stick?
Yeah, you get it out, man. I'll be hanging my camera out the window.
All the way up to Adam, man.
Do I stop here?
Alrighty, we got a sky rice. Read a little bit further. Don't make me walk.
I'm sorry.
Alrighty, what's your name?
Pat.
Pat. Alright, Pat. Tell us about it.
Pretty stock, except for exhaust put on 2 weeks ago, roughly.
Put an exhaust on 2 weeks ago. Alright. Is this the first time you're going to hear what it really sounds like, or have you revved the shit out of it already?
No, it's had a crack. That's
There you
it.
go. New big smile on your face. This bit's Dustin needed. Alright, in neutral for me, and you're going to do what's got ahead. Go. Alrighty, what do you think of that? Give him a cheer.
Alright, so if you want to check the rest of those rev battles, check my Instagram. Link down in the description, or it's Craig. Oh shit. Yeah, man. Holy fuck!
Hello.
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 This guy's gonna do some skids, I reckon. Oh yes, Ben! Yes, Ben! Yes, Ben! I love that Japanese writing on the back. It's like that silver with the rainbow. Yeah. Yes, this is the car I want. This is the car I want.